So I've parked there, and if you go over the road and go up there, you follow that path, that'll lead you straight to the cave. Just outside the village of Wetton in the Staffordshire Peak District, you'll find the magnificent Thor's Cave, a natural cavern set in a steep limestone crag, with its huge arched entrance easily visible and quite accessible from the path below. So it's currently 10 past 11 in the morning. My voice just broke. And it is bitterly cold. Currently walking to the cave now, but there's like loads of breaks in the fence where you can like go down and look at the fucking river. I mean, it's not bad. It's alright, but if you're gonna come and do this, do it when it's warmer, fuck's sake. It is freezing, like it's so cold. Like my hands are blue. Also, it is a cycle path as well, so you don't just get people walking, you also get like people on push bikes, so just be mindful of that. But it's so peaceful, just the fresh air, the river flowing, you just can't beat it. And then I got a feeling, because I'm in the valley, that as soon as I sort of break out through this bend coming up, the cave's just going to be in view. It should be A-okay. There she is, Thor's Cave. Really is quite the sight, quite the attraction, which essentially is just a hole in a rock. Just a side note, I know I've been moaning about how cold it is, but this is an image I found of Thor's Cave in the summer. Take my advice, go in the summer rather than the winter, it will be a much better experience. We came from that way. Alright, and then you'll see the cave. Got this, just a picture of a bear, and some stuff. You can pause the video if you want to have a look at that. But once you make it here, you'll come across a bridge. It's not any old bridge. It's a very fucking narrow bridge. Go straight over. There's a cool river. Again, okay. And you'll follow the track all the way up. So, I've come from down there, got to here, and lo and behold, it goes up there. If you've parked where I have and done the same route as me, you're going to come up there and then go up here, and that'll take you to the cave. Am I out of breath? Yes. Am I doing this on a mill? Yes. Do I regret doing this on a mill? No comment. Just keep following the path or the trail. You can see it's within view. So it's there. That's it. And we were sort of like down there somewhere. Looking at that sign, we can see there's a set of steps that go all the way up there. There you go. Focusing on my hand there. I'm going to take these steps. I'm hoping that's going to lead to the cave, which I think it will. But we'll see. What mad bastards over there as well. And steps. It's actually not that far or hard to get to. Just a lot of steps.
The origin of the name is uncertain, possibly from the word Thor. Links with the Norse god Thor and the Germanic paganism of the early Anglo-Saxons in general have been suggested, but evidence is lacking. Other hypotheses have included lost ancient dialect terms and obscure English saints. Evidence has been found of human occupation of Thor's cave during the latter of the Stone Age from around 11,000 years ago, with use well into the Iron Age and Roman period. Past excavations have shown stone tools, pottery, amber beads, bronze items, as well as burial sites of at least 7 people. For more information on Thor's cave and how to get there, as well as parking, all links are in the description below. I also want to say a big thanks to Connor and Lorna for joining me on this trip to help me with the filming. And with that, thanks for watching.